So here we go, it's officially here. I'm doing this one take. So O2 did just provide a massive goodie bag. There it is. So it says black titanium. It's a 512 gig model. So let's just go ahead and jump straight into it. No messing about, as I want to try and get this out for you as quickly as possible. And then we've got a ton of case videos, screen protectors, accessories, and if there's anything you want to see, let me know in the comment section. So let's go ahead and take it out. There we go, and there is the black titanium. So there it is right there, and then it gets the braided USB-C cable. Of course, we get the SIM ejection tool because we do still have physical SIM cards right there. So we do still have that, plus the fact now there is the booklets, and of course no Apple stickers anymore. Just the leaflets, I'll just throw it on the floor, that's fine. So there's that. Let's go ahead and take this out. Pop it open. There's the SIM tray, action button, the volume buttons, the power button, and of course the new capture button. 3 cameras on the back as always. The black titanium looks really good with the nice sort of matte finish side rails. Feels nice, looks good. Let's give it a power on. And obviously I'm doing this in the van that I work in now. Things have changed as previous years, but there we go. So let's go ahead and start the setup. So that 6.9 inch display looks great. There's a lot of charge in this, so you can select your appearance. I'm going to go for default. What I'm going to do is it's looking for a nearby device, so it's going to be this one that I'm filming on. I've still got the 15 Pro Max, but I'm going to let it do its thing, set it up, and I'll be back to show you what it looks like when it's all set up. Okay, so there we go. It's all officially set up now. If I go unlock, as you can see, I haven't fully set it up just yet. But it looks so much better with that bigger screen. And even though it's only a little touch bigger, it just looks so much better and feels so much better. So I'm going to go ahead and set this up as my own, get everything on it that I need to, and then we'll see more videos. Now obviously we'll have case videos, we'll have screen protector, and then I might do a what's on my iPhone video and show you how I've set this up myself and how mine looks compared to some others. But yeah, so stay tuned. There is the iPhone 16 Pro Max, the new camera capture button right there. Let me know what you think of the space black titanium and which colour did you go for today. Let me know in the comment section down below. But thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.